Hello, this is Joyce from Sage Plus Clinical Pharmacy. I'm one of the clinical pharmacists here today, and I want to talk to you how to use eye drops. So eye drops come in different devices and sizes. So some of them look like this, some of them look like this. So we're going to go through the same procedures. They're all going to be about the same. So what you want to do is make sure you clean your hands. It's very important that you do not touch the eye tipper of the dropper. That means here. If you touch it, a lot of times it becomes non-sterile. Then what happens is that you might increase the chances of infection in your eyes. So what you want to do now, that after you wash your hands, you might want to shake well or warm up the bottle first so that it doesn't sting as much in your eyes when you put it in. So how you warm it up is just hold it in your hands for about a minute, and that usually will bring it to a better temperature so your eyes don't get as sensitized to it. So what you want to do is you clean your hands. What you want to do is close one of the tear duct, look up, and try to roll your eyes backwards. So it's very important to find a spot that's on top of your head, and then when you look up at it, you're looking over your head. So once you close your tear duct, look up and over, then you put this eyedropper into the center of your eye, like so. And you just put one drop in there and let it sink for a little bit. And then that's it. It's that simple. The ones that with the handle, what you want to do is same thing. So what you do is you just look up, close one eye, and you just put one drop in there. Let it sink. Voila. Hope this helps and have a great day.